I definitely feel that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and you want to make it as pleasing and comfortable and welcoming as possible. And when I did my kitchen enhancement with the countertops and just some small changes, I did it on a budget. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. If you're new here, I hope you click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. If you recall, in my previous video, I picked up this stoneware dishware set at a thrift store and I really liked it. I know I didn't need it, so I decided to just kind of give it a table setting on the table until I decide what to do with it. Now, I'm not going to lie, that pattern did clash with the pink tablecloth, so I went digging and I found some extra fabric that I had left over from when I did my seat cushions. And I made a quick tablecloth out of that. I actually forgot I had it, and then I found the trim and had some trim put around it, and that's it. So this little quick refresh on the table looked very, very nice, and I was actually really wanting to keep the plates, but believe it or not, I did give them to my nephew when he came and visited. He could use them, so off they went to him, and he really enjoyed having them. And I look forward to having dinner or a meal with him using those plates one day. And by making the heart of the home, you just want to display things you love, like I did with my friend's needlepoint art that she gifted me. And I have my candle that I made on my shelf in there. And also I have a special another piece of artwork that was gifted to me from my granddaughter, who made the beautiful little hand towel that's hanging on the stove. I definitely know that the teachers got this right, because they know grandparents always want to display their grandkids' works of art. So just having little splashes of things going around just makes the kitchen look more welcoming and inviting. And I would have never thought to change that tablecloth until I had that dinnerware on there. It's amazing how just a simple change of a tablecloth can make a difference in the space. I also had this clear glass that did nothing, so I gave it a quick spray paint and had some flowers. So those, I was given some flowers, so those were put in the vase, and that's just a simple little look, but it was changed. So again, just some simple changes by using what I have to create a new look. I did use some other scrap fabrics to cover the baskets that I have on the wall, which was a great quick DIY for this room. And also I had another plant that was in a basket, and I used some other scrap fabric and covered that with some mud cloth, and it matches the pillow that you see there. I haven't really been up to doing too much of anything lately. I'm trying to focus on my family room and get that cleaned out so I can get it started painting for a refresh. It's long overdue, and I'll be sharing that with you. Again, thank you for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. After all, just remember that beauty is being home and loving it. I hope you like this video. Drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share.